Hi, welcome to my new blog.
She's not new, same area.
No. Today, this is going to E. Benedicto Street.
Ezekiel Benedicto.
Emilia Benedicto.
Enrique. Daniel.
Na, Dunya Emilia, oh.
Yun ang building.
building. See, told you, it's Emilia.
Emilia.
Dunya Emilia.
This is Raman Street.
Hindi ko pa rin sila pupunta. Pag-saving niya po rin. Hindi ko siya tutuki. Nindot kayo yung gawin namin.
This is going to Queensland Manor. Look. This is Queensland Manor. Today, the guard is not strict anymore because there's no more COVID virus.
Yes.
This is Queensland Manor. Not strict.
Parang not strict.
No. Not strict. No, mama natin.
Mami mo po sa isa. Naglain ko may mami. Po sa isa.
Nato, mama to. Gate number 20 and gate 43 and gate 37 and gate 34 and 27th gate. Ang kita Jones, mama. Jones Capitol.
Follow ko ka.
Follow na. We're here at Sikatuna Street. Please don't block the driveway. We're here at Dionisio Hacosalem Street. If there's any of the routes, it has name on it. You're on diet. London.
What's R?
London.
London.
Raymond London.
Not okay.
Raymond Bayot of Frutas.
Ayaw ka pakinig kay David. Ayaw sa kapatid.
Tall guys can understand.
Study ka tomorrow, okay?
With
Teacher ka. Wait.
around 8 o'clock a.m.
Yes.